Get bored.
Nah, she won't get bored. She never gets bored doing this shit.
¿No me dijiste, mendigo? ¿No me dijiste? ¿No me dijiste, mendigo?
What the fuck? Look at this guy. He's acting brand new.
Damn, bro, you brought the breakfast? Oh, yes, daddy.
Grab one.
Hold on, I need to get some drink, bro.
Like?
Fucking. Goddamn.
Yeah. You could treat me later on.
Oh, I'll treat you later on, bro.
Kind of.
Look at that fresh haircut, too. What the fuck
You're
is you?
fucking 20, bro. Oh my god.
This. I'll get one right now. Let me fucking. I gotta get some drink from Shell.
Hello, sir.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, brother?
No, thank you.
No, you're good.
How much? You paid 12 for
I
it?
love your Hawkeye.
Thank you, man. Fisted, dude.
Crazy.
Hey, fam.
Hey, fam.
Look at Fam's like. What the fuck?
I just gotta do the 10, but. Hey, Swabe, I'll trade you.
Let me drive it.
You said you liked my car.
Let me look at this guy already.
It's all good. We gotta go, bro. There's hella cars already here fucking dipping.
Yeah?
Like, massive.
I just got the windshield
Who the
replaced.
fuck did Oh, Nikki's putting gas. That's where she went. Hey, fam.
I was supposed to do it Thursday.
Daddy.
Behind cameras.
Behind camera. Oh, yeah. Hold on. You can't see that.
Yeah, because it was cracked, so I replaced it. So he replaced the front windshield?
Yeah.
How much did you get for it? Did you guys bolt them down?
I had to go
You
Friday.
guys bolt them down or what?
Trap card.
Oh, yeah, I fucking knew it.
That was nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm ready, bro. Congratulations, dude.
Thank you, man.
Nah, now you come with us every fucking party, bro. Invite me to the group chat.
Oh,
We're gonna-
crazy. Oh, we got Adam.
No, you have Android, don't you?
No,
Android.
I text you. I was about to say you're gonna ruin the fucking group chat, dude.
What do you mean? Should be open already.
Oh man.
Yeah, Andrew Chins. I do though. I didn't sold out.
And then you take mine.
Heard you almost flaked it, girl.
No. I was gonna come regardless. I just
No, you
wanted you
weren't.
guys to
No,
think that
you
I was gonna
weren't.
flake.
How dare you flake on me, girl?
I've been up since 10 in the morning yesterday.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Yeah. I worked
Dude,
last night.
Yeah.
I got off work at 4 in the morning. Then all morning I took off my wrap.
Oh, you did take it off. Why'd you take it off?
Because I wanted.
Damn.
I know I was kind of tired of it, and I didn't have time to take off the wrap on the fin. And I ended up breaking the clip on the fin.
Adriel, what the fuck,
So
bro?
watch this.
Huh?
Short block, right?
Yeah, I built short block.
Oh my god.
She do what?
Watch this. Active arrow.
No mames, Adriel. What the fuck, bro? What about the bolt? Did you get the nut off?
Yeah.
But you broke the clip pulling it off?
I broke the clip. Yeah.
Who's fucking ass, dude?
Yeah. So doesn't really matter.
Come on,
But
rap. What a kid was saying. Alright, so let's get in the car, bro. Oh shit! nicest car you got, bro.
Yeah, man. Those are the best seats.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
They're JDM.
JDM seats are invisible. Invisible Bowmobile.
Weight reduction.
Holy shit.
It's hard to see what I'm doing.
I'm fucking weak, bro.
Oh, no. Go forward.
Oh, that was funny. Yeah, you good right there. Just go straight now. Okay, this might sound funny, but I don't know where either one of my tripods are at. Kitty cat is crawling under here. But let me talk about the car real quick, overall, before we wrap this up. I know we didn't talk about it much, and I didn't show anything when we went to go pick it up, because this, when we got the car, it was a last minute thing. Like, me and Swerve were just talking about cars, because obviously it's Swerve's car, and he was like, let me see what I can find, like, you know, for a certain price range. I'm like, all right, let's look. So we looked and looked and looked, like the same day, literally looked the same day, found this 07 STI. Chassis has 179,000 miles. The engine, though, freshly rebuilt. It had less than 200 miles on it when we got it. Forged internal CP pistons, Manley rods, ACL bearings all around. Kitty, can you stop? Is this cat interrupting me? ACL main and rod bearings. And of course, it had a brand new crankshaft from a newer STI in it. I think it's off of a shit. I don't remember what year it came out of, but it was one of the newer ones for sure. And I think that's about it. I could be wrong. I don't remember the whole complete build list, but it was, because this is like nearly a month later than I'm finally putting this out. Well, maybe not a month. Maybe like 3 weeks after the car has been purchased that I'm finally putting this video out. And kitty cat, why are you crying? Let me get the kitty cat. Come here. He wants treats and he wants to go outside. Look at him. Kitty cat. Yeah, it's been a little while since we got the car. The only issues we really had with it had no other issues. It was just like a bunch of cosmetic stuff that was going on with. That's what we painted. We repainted the hood scoop with a paint matched spray can from one of our local shop that made it for us. I resprayed the wing, resprayed the roof vane end caps. Those were pretty faded. Hood scoop was super faded. It looked like it was gray plastic zipped. The interior really needed a good cleaning, so I shampooed the seats like 2.5 times pretty much. Because I say 2.5 because the bottom part of the seat needed to be done multiple times. And that's pretty much it. Just needed a nice vacuum. Interior cleaned down. Other than that, the car is really clean. It's like, it's got a couple like little dings and shit. It's not, like I said, it's not perfect cosmetically. It looks really good on camera, but like cosmetically, there's still other things we need to fix. Like there's a crack in the front bumper that we're working on today. We're taking off the old shitty tint. My door just shut by itself because the window's open. What else are we doing? There's like dents in the fenders that need to come out, so we're gonna find someone who can do some PDR and pop those dents out. And I think that's pretty much it. And yeah, and next video will be actually, I'm pretty sure it'll be me fixing my STI finally, fix the power steering leak finally, and I got something for the car. Let's put it that way. I just got something for the car. And when you see the piece I got for the car, you're like, why did you get that? Because I had it before, but I sold it. So now I got something I used to have. Again, I don't want to spoil it. I'm gonna leave it at that. I think that's pretty much it. You know, maybe next video we include this STI on. I'll have Swave talk about it more because it is his car. I'm just giving like a minor rundown since we didn't really talk about it. But it was kind of like a little spur of the moment purchase when we got it. So clean car overall. Interior is really clean and stuff now that we've cleaned all the jizz stains off the seats. Yeah, that's it. I'm done. I will hopefully have Swave talk in the next one. I don't know how camera shy he is. I know he doesn't really care about being on camera much. I'm gonna get him to say something. But until then, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button for me and that like button for me. We'll catch you guys later. Oh, like, wait, before we go though. Pretty PC is still here. Yes, sir. Okay, bye.